In this video guide, I will share with you how to log in Boursorama Bank. So friends, if you want to log in your Bank, this is the bank as you can see here, Boursorama. Go to Google, search for Boursorama online banking. Click the first result here, and then you will see this page. You will see login page from here, connection. All you have to do, click accept on term and conditions. After that, when you click accept, you will see this page. From here, enter your username for login, and then click next. For example, this is your username, login name. This is a number, friends. After that, click next. If you want to log in with your app, just download this app on Google Play. When you download this app on Google Play, you can successfully log in without any problem. Just download this app and then log in with your all information in this bank. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.